Hi, I want to do not a full review, but I just want to show one thing about this 12 volt screwdriver that I just got. It really is awesome when you're trying to precision torque things. I have a bunch of impact drivers, but for things where you want to not like torque the crap out of stuff, it's perfect. And there's one feature that I wish that I would have known that's really awesome, is when it's not spinning, the arbor is locked. So after it's torqued, you can manually give it that extra little squeak, like eek, and it's awesome. I have a couple impact drivers, so I had a hard time buying it, but now that I have it, it's sweet. Thanks.